It had to be you now. It had to be you now. I wandered around, finally found somebody who now could make me be true now, could make me be blue now. I'd even be glad just to be sad, thinking of you. Now, some others I've seen might never be mean, never be cross, try to be boss, they wouldn't do now. For nobody else gives me a thrill. With your faults, I love you still. It had to be you now, wonderful you now. It had to be you.